Welcome to our Diets and Weight Loss channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into LeanBiome, one of the top-rated weight loss supplements in its category. LeanBiome is a weight loss supplement that focuses on promoting a healthy gut microbiome to support weight management and overall well-being. If you're considering buying LeanBiome weight loss supplement or just curious about what makes it so popular, you're in the right place. I'll cover everything you need to know, from its key features and benefits to the pros and cons, so you can make an informed decision. Be sure to stick around till the end, where I'll share my honest verdict and whether this product truly lives up to the hype. Before we get started, make sure you get LeanBiome weight loss supplement only from the official website to ensure authenticity and quality. We've included a direct link in the description below to help you access the genuine product, along with any exclusive discounts or guarantees that come with it. Avoid third-party sites where counterfeits are common. Buying from the official source is the safest way to ensure you're getting exactly what you pay for. Click the link below to check it out. Imagine a world where weight loss isn't a struggle, but a journey towards holistic wellness. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how LeanBiome is transforming lives. In the ever-evolving world of weight loss supplements, LeanBiome has emerged as a noteworthy contender. Promoted for its unique blend of probiotics and natural ingredients, it aims to support healthy weight management by addressing gut health. With rising interest in holistic wellness, many are turning to LeanBiome to discover its potential benefits and efficacy. As consumers seek effective solutions for weight loss, LeanBiome reviews have become crucial in assessing the product's performance. These reviews provide valuable insights from real users, shedding light on their experiences, results, and any challenges they faced while using the supplement. By exploring these perspectives, potential buyers can make informed decisions about incorporating LeanBiome into their weight loss journey. LeanBiome is an innovative dietary supplement designed to support healthy weight management by enhancing gut health. Formulated with a unique blend of probiotics, prebiotics, and plant-based ingredients, LeanBiome aims to optimize the body's microbiome, promoting a balanced digestive system. The product is crafted to assist in reducing cravings, improving metabolism, and increasing energy levels, making it a holistic approach to weight loss. This supplement stands out for its natural ingredients, which work synergistically to help users achieve their weight management goals without the use of harsh chemicals or stimulants. LeanBiome not only targets weight loss, but also contributes to overall well-being, helping individuals feel more energetic and vibrant. Understanding the ingredients in LeanBiome is crucial for anyone considering this product, as they play a vital role in its effectiveness. At the heart of LeanBiome's formula are powerful probiotic strains, including lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These beneficial bacteria help restore the balance of gut flora, enhancing digestion and nutrient absorption. LeanBiome contains prebiotic fibers, such as inulin, which serve as food for the probiotics, ensuring they thrive in the digestive system. Green tea extract is included in LeanBiome to support metabolism, containing catechins that may help increase fat oxidation and enhance calorie burning. Garcinia cambogia, known for its potential weight loss benefits, contains hydroxycitric acid, HCA, which may inhibit the enzyme responsible for converting carbohydrates into fat. Derived from the Coleus forskolii plant, forskolin is included in LeanBiome for its potential to support fat metabolism. Rich in antioxidants, acai berries are included for their health benefits and potential weight loss support. Apple cider vinegar is believed to support digestion and may help regulate blood sugar levels, enhancing metabolic function and promoting a feeling of fullness. LeanBiome's probiotic blend is formulated to promote healthy weight loss through a multifaceted approach that targets gut health and metabolism. When the gut microbiome is balanced, it can help regulate hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin, leading to reduced appetite and cravings. LeanBiome also contains prebiotics that nourish these probiotics, ensuring their survival and effectiveness in the digestive system. By enhancing digestion, regulating appetite, and boosting metabolism, LeanBiome creates an environment conducive to weight loss. Using LeanBiome capsules can provide a range of health benefits, primarily due to their unique blend of probiotics, prebiotics, and natural ingredients. LeanBiome is designed to promote healthy weight loss by enhancing gut health, regulating appetite, and boosting metabolism. The combination of probiotics and prebiotics in LeanBiome aids digestion by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome allows for better absorption of essential nutrients from the food you consume. A significant portion of the immune system is located in the gut, and by supporting gut health, LeanBiome can enhance immune responses. Research suggests a strong connection between gut health and mental health. And the probiotics in LeanBiome may help improve mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. LeanBiome. Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts here. Embrace the change and feel the difference. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you get a clearer picture of whether LeanBiome is a weight loss supplement is the right fit for you. If you're interested in trying it out, be sure to click the link in the description below to get more details and the latest deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews on top products. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best insights on trending products. See you in the next diets and weight loss video.